touch me again, I'll burn your face. Hey, what are you doing here?
Oh, stop. You're gonna burn down Brian's room.
Brian? Who's Brian?
It's our friend from high school. It's his party. What are you talking about?
Oh, his name's Brian? I always thought his name was like Jake.
Stop. You're gonna stop playing with fire.
Speaking of playing with fire, everyone just saw what happened out there. So stop playing with fire by dating a bitch called Brittany.
We're not dating anymore.
Are you sure? Because I've kind of heard you say that like a million times before. We've been best friends forever and you guys always break up and get back together, and no offense, but she kind of mistreats you.
Why? Why are you so nosy? You trying to date me?
I'm not trying to date you, you idiot.
How?
We've been best friends for the last 10 years, and I want what's best for my best friend. And I don't think Miss Brittany Big Tits Bitch is a good match for you.
No. Everyone saw that fight. We're done. Can't come back from that.
Good, I hope.
Brian's gonna bring a girl in here. Watch. We should leave.
Watch? You just told me to watch. Let's stay and watch.
No, let's leave.
And I think his name is Jake, by the way.